In many organizations, reviewing legal documents like NDAs is often slow, manual, and difficult to track. Project managers struggle to coordinate between customers and legal teams, while legal officers spend time manually reviewing documents without structured inputs. Customers also face confusion about what information to provide and where to submit documents. These challenges lead to delays in approvals, lack of transparency in the review process, multiple document revisions, increased risk of missing important legal details. To address these challenges, we introduce IntelliLegal. It streamlines the entire NDA review process by enabling seamless collaboration between customers, project managers, and legal officers. With a structured workflow, clear visibility, and AI-assisted document validation, IntelliLegal makes legal document review faster, more transparent, and easier to manage. Now, let's walk through the application and see how the process works. The process begins with the project manager. From the dashboard, the project manager clicks Onboard Customer. They enter the customer's email address and send the request. Once submitted, the system automatically sends an email invitation to the customer requesting them to upload their NDA document for review. The customer receives an email notification stating, "You have received an NDA upload request for review." The email includes a secure link that allows the customer to access the external submission portal. The customer opens the portal and begins filling in the required information. First, they provide the name, uploads the NDA document that needs legal review, business background and remarks if any. Now the review request has been successfully submitted. As a customer, they can track the status of their request in real time through their dashboard at any time. Now, the document uploaded by the customer has been received by the project manager for review, and the request appears in the project manager's dashboard. The project manager opens the submission and reviews the details provided by the customer. Next, the project manager completes the required internal inputs, selects the legal officer responsible for the review, sets the priority level, enters the opportunity value, adds any optional remarks. The request is sent to the legal officer for review. The manager has successfully sent the request to the legal officer for review. The legal officer now sees the request in their dashboard. They open the request to review the uploaded NDA document. To assist with validation, the legal officer can use the AI Analyzer, which automatically reviews the document and highlights potential legal risks or inconsistencies. Now, the legal officer can view the AI suggestions for the document. The legal officer can also open the document and review each AI-suggested change in detail. Based on the review, the legal officer can either accept or reject the AI-suggested changes. Once the document review is completed, the legal officer has 3 possible actions. If everything in the document looks correct and meets the required standards, the legal officer approves the request, and the process is completed. If the document does not meet the necessary requirements or cannot proceed further, the legal officer rejects the request, which ends the workflow. If the document needs some modifications, the legal officer can request changes. In this case, they provide suggestions or comments so the customer can update the document and resubmit it for review. Now the request has been reprocessed and sent back to the customer so they can update the requested changes. The end user opens the reprocessed request and reviews the document. They can clearly see the changes and suggestions made by the approver. After reviewing the updates, the user adds any additional suggestions related to the terms and legal fees. Once everything is finalized, the user accepts the suggestions and resubmits the request for further processing. The request has now been successfully resubmitted for further review. The approver opens the request and reviews the document. They check the changes made by the user and verify that the suggested updates have been implemented. Once satisfied, the approver approves the request and can also add comments for reference or clarification. In addition, the system includes an admin panel for the super admin. The super admin has the ability to manage roles within the system, such as changing an approver to a requester or a requester to an approver. The admin panel also provides analytics in graph format, allowing administrators to monitor request activity and system usage. At any stage, users can open the document and track all modifications through the document's version history, making it easy to review and audit the changes made over time. Finally, the external user can view the approval status in their dashboard, marking the completion of the entire workflow. With IntelliLegal, organizations can streamline the entire legal review lifecycle with a structured and transparent workflow. The solution is built using the SharePoint framework, enabling secure document management and seamless integration within the enterprise environment. We have also integrated AI-powered document analysis to assist legal officers in quickly validating NDA documents and identifying potential risks. To enable smooth collaboration with external customers, we developed a secure external application that bridges customers and internal teams, ensuring a seamless and controlled document submission process. IntelliLegal transforms traditional legal document reviews into a streamlined, AI-assisted digital workflow.